Now we're gonna visit George Village Botanical Garden. Yay! Nice. Guys, these products, they are amazing. They smell so good, so beautiful. And they have a lot of these things. And that gentleman is like a rock star. Look how cool. We're gonna start our walking trail. Look at that, how old is this construction? Wow. House, colonial area. This building housed the employee in charge of the enslaved. Wow.
Very far.
Yeah.
But they're right up in the eaves up there. You see them? Straight up.
There? Oh, I hear noises.
No, those are noises from the outside.
The
birds.
bird?
Yeah.
I see a gecko.
They're up in the.
Oh,
in the
yes!
eaves.
Oh, they're flying now.
Huh?
They're flying all over.
Yeah, they do.
Oh my God. Thanks for letting us know. See, they're flying. Wow. That's a blue agave. Look at the size. From where you make tequila. Bromelias. Something walking here. Really nice, right? Talking about cotton, here we go. This is a cotton tree. Guys, it's fantastic. Nature. We can see the seeds here. You know what? I'm gonna get some of this. Native. Oh, hell yeah. Cotton tree. Orchid house. Skip. Damn, it's hot. Oh, there's water. Oh, to simulate the natural environment. Those ones are kind of dying, though. Who is that? It's an old bridge. Why is that? Yeah, hanging right there. Cannonball tree. Just for you to have an idea of the size. Probably similar to that one, just a different shape. Tree. So they're asking if you smell it. Estão perguntando se tu se tu sente o cheiro de alguma coisa fedida, que é a flor da árvore gambá. That's a skunk tree. Thank God no flowers today.